Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer game saves from Epic Games to a new PC. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer game saves from Epic Games to a new PC, start by ensuring both computers are connected to the internet. On your old PC, open the Epic Games launcher. Locate the game whose save files you wish to transfer. Right-click on the game title in the library. Select Manage from the drop-down menu. Click on Show Local Files. This will open the File Explorer directly to the game's installation folder. Look for a folder labeled Saved or Save Games. Open that folder to find your saved game file. Copy all relevant files and folders you find there. Next, on your new PC, install the Epic Games launcher. Log into your Epic Games account. Download and install the same game. Once the installation is complete, navigate to the game's installation folder on the new PC. Repeat the steps to find the saved or save games folder. Paste the copied files from your old PC into this folder. Make sure to replace any existing files if prompted. After pasting the files, launch the game on your new PC. Your game saves should now be available for use. If you encounter any issues, double-check that the game files were copied correctly. Enjoy your game on the new PC with your progress intact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.